Okay, in this screen recording, you're going to learn how you can take something like a PDF file, take a picture of it, and make it into a Google Drawing so your kids can write right on top of it inside a Google Classroom. So it sounds real complex, but it's not really that hard. So let's say I really like this page 3 of this packet. So I'm just going to use page 3 here. I'm going to minimize this first so I can get this all in the same one. And the first thing I would do, I mean, you could isolate this, but I'm just going to use Shift Command 4 on my computer. I have a Mac, mind you. So I'm taking a screenshot of this area. You could use whatever screenshot tool you have, but if I just click this right here, I can just give the original person credit too. So I took a screenshot of it. That's what it looks like now. I could go and rename this and call this like I can read bees and bugs or something, just so I know what it is. It's going to my desktop. So I am going to go ahead and that's fine with me. I'm going to I renamed it. I don't need any tags. So I'm just going to go here. Now I can read bees and bugs on my desktop. Now, if I go and since I took a picture of that, that is now like a JPEG file or a PNG file. It's a picture file. So if I go to Google Drawing and open up Google Drawing, I just type in Google Drawing and log in with my account. I could go over right here. Now this might look, it might not look identical here, but if I upload that from the computer, I could click on that and press open. Now that's kind of a different format, and I'm sure you could play with this a little bit as far as your page dimensions and stuff on Google Drawings if you really wanted to get this to look perfect. But I'm not going to take the time to do that for this screen recording. So I'm maximizing like this. They're going to have room to make their name. Again, this is a Google Drawing, so the kids will be able to go back when you then, if I take this and I just say, okay, I'm going to call this I can read activity or something. Okay, so I have that I can read activity. Now I can easily take that file. It's in my drive. I could go to my Google Classroom. Now I'm using Chrome. So if I just went to my Google Classroom, I press create assignment. I could then call this, I can read activity or whatever you want to call it. Whoops, spell it right. ITIV2, there we go. And I press, I can put directions. Please complete the attached form. And I don't even need to write anything right there. So I'm just going to skip that. When I press add, Google Drive, I click on that and I press add. Now it's real important you make sure you make a copy for each student. But when you assign this to your students, then they can go and open that up and write right on top of it since it's a Google Drawing now. So I'm just going to go and open this up the way. So if I have my account here, hang on. So I think I put that in here. Yeah, there we go. I can read activity. So if I click on this right now and I click on my work, I could then scribble right on top here. I could write my name. I could write my text right here. I mean, the students hopefully with not too much hard. So if I write like George McFly here or something, I could arrange this. I could put this up. I can move it so it's right on there. I could write the date. I could go and use this scribble tool right here. And you got to be careful because when they do, they're going to have access to move that file. That's the only thing. There might be a way to place that file so it's always on there. But if I just went in here and said scribble, I should be able to take a line and go, the bee is on a flower. There I go. And then when you're done, you'll be able to see their work in there like that. So that's how you could take a PDF file, change it to a Google Drawing, upload it to Google Classroom, and make it so kids can edit.